Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to make some native rice. Yes, native delicacy. If you have some red oil, so just pour it into your cooking pot, heat it up a little bit and add some onions and blended pepper mix. Fry it for about 2 minutes and go ahead with fish stock, meat stock, whichever stock you have, and now add the parboiled rice. Okay, so this is sogirobe. Yes, remember we are making local delicacy, so we need some local spicy. Okay, now I've dissolved it and get it into the rice. Add some curry powder, some turmeric, some salt and fennel seed powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice actually. These are the ones I prefer to use. So give it a stir, cover your pot and allow it to cook. Yes, I added more pepper, dry pepper and some more water. So now the rice have cooked, almost done, and I just added some crayfish. Allow it to cook for more 2 minutes, and now this fish deboned and they're already cooked. Add the fish and some scent leaf. Yes, try to use scent leaf to make this native delicacy. It usually comes out very yummy and with very nice aroma. So added the scent leaf, mix it, stir it, and food is ready. Okay, guys, dish out the food, and I'm ready to eat. Okay, this is very simple to make. Thank you for watching. I bet you will try this. All right.